No, I'm not actually. Okay, sorry. It starts from here. Sorry. I forgot. My mistake. And there is another type of gain that is called the common mode gain, that is AC. Okay, that is this, the common mode voltage, right? For ideal op amps, AD is infinite and AC is zero, ideally. Okay. For practical op amps, AD is very large and AC is very small, but still AD is less than infinite and AC is greater than zero. Okay. The ratio of AD and AC is called the common mode rejection ratio, or CMRR is simply AD by AC. Now, obviously, for a practical ideal op amp, AD is infinite and AC is zero, so CMRR is infinite. For practical op amps, sorry, for ideal op amps, it is infinite because AD is infinite and AC is zero. For practical op amps, AD is a large number and AC is a very small number. So CMRR is a very, very large number, but it's not infinite. Okay. So since CMRR is very large number, it is often expressed in dB. Are you familiar with dB scale? Your apology is accepted, so please delete this. Okay, bye. Goodbye. So CMRR, that is equal to AD by AC. This is usually a very large number. So this is often expressed in dB scale. Are you familiar with dB scale? No. Okay. You will use dB scale extensively, I think, from the next year, second year, third year. Third year, when you study communication, dB is must. So let me introduce you. dB is simply when we consider ratio of voltages. This dB is 20 log of 10 V2 by V1. Full form of what? CMRR. CMRR's full form is common mode rejection ratio, and dB's full form is decibels. So which one you want to know? Decibel, yes, dB is decibel. Remember in that often before Diwali, police says that 65 crackers more than 65 decibel are banned. Remember that same decibel. So for the ratio of voltages, it is 20 log 10 V2 by V1. And for ratio of powers, it is 10 log base 10 P2 by P1. Okay. There is a related unit, that is dBm. What is dBm? dBm is a ratio of voltage with respect to 1 millivolt. So V in dBm, that is 20 log 10 V by 1 millivolt, and P in dBm, that is 10 log 10 P by 1 milliwatt. Okay, clear? So CMRR in dB, it simply be CMRR in dB, that would simply be 20 log 10 AD by AC. Correct? Okay. Right? And good op amps, like the set of good commercial op amps, have CMRR around 90 dB. For 741 op amp, CMRR is around 90 dB. Right? Okay. And the last definition is for slew rate. The last topic of amp, and then we will do something else. So what is slew rate? Just 1 second. Now please clear this. Is possible to clear this? Suppose the input to an op amp is changing, okay, changing with time. So we expect the output to change with time as well. Suppose we are using a a non-inverting amplifier. And the input, this is V in, this is changing with time. So what will be output? Output is also changed with time using the formula which we had derived last class. Okay, but I have forgotten to what to say, record the first few minutes, but okay, fine, sure. Right, so the output will change according to input, right? We expect the output to change instantly with the input. Are you following me? If the input changes, we expect that output should change at the very same instant. For ideal op amps, true. For practical op amps, it is not so. The output does change, but it takes some time, some finite time. Okay. So slew rate is the measure. Slew rate often abbreviated SR. So slew rate is the measure of how the output voltage changes with time with respect to input. Okay. So slew rate is simply dV out by dt, and the unit of this is volts per microsecond. Okay. So that's it for op amps. No, nothing more. If you want to, did I miss anything? No. So it's a maximum rate of change that the op amp can allow. So dV out by dt. Okay. And the unit is volts per microsecond. For ideal op amp, it is instant. The instant when the input changes, the output will change correspondingly. Okay. At the very same instant. But for practical op amps, it will take some finite amount of time. Okay. Ishika, anything else? And slew rate is the maximum rate of change, okay, of the output voltage per unit time. So fast op amps have a very high slew rate, ideal op amps have infinite slew rate. Okay. So that's it. I think for the basic level, this is more than enough. There are 9 minutes left. So if you want to ask any questions, you can ask. And I promise that I will revise delta star, and the other thing was network theorems. So the best way to revise is, I don't know, by some problems. So if you have a calculator with you, you can bring it with near you so that you can use calculator, copy, pen, whatever. The best way is I have some books. I will share some problems. We will solve it together. Slew rate once more. Fine. I am using some amplifier. Okay, it could be inverting, it could be non-inverting, it could be anything, some other circuit. The differentiation, integration doesn't matter. Suppose for simplicity, let us say that this is a non-inverting amplifier. This was a circuit we discussed in the last class, so I am not explaining this anymore. We saw that the gain of this circuit is 1 plus RF plus RI, R1, right? So if my input is V in T, V out T is this. From the derivation we did last class, agreed? So we see that the output of the op amp, it changes with time. For ideal op amp, we expect the output to change as per input. As soon as the input changes, the output is expected to change. Okay. For practical cases, it is not instantaneous. There is a finite time delay. At this delay, one way of having an idea of this delay is using slew rate. Slew rate is the maximum rate of change of output voltage that the op-amp can allow. So slew rate is simply the maximum value of dV out T by dt. And the unit is volts per microsecond. So anything else you want to know, Saiba? Anything else? So this is at least enough for this first year. Slew rate is enough. Anything else? Okay. Any other question? Okay, I explained you in terms of this circuit, but it's not that slew rate is valid for only for this circuit. So all circuits. This was just one example. Okay. So we take a break. Okay, for 2 minutes, and I advise Kanix to close this meeting, and we will restart with the revision. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.